Morning. I thought that I would share my Intex Ultra Frame metal rectangular pool. Here is the product information. 18 by 9 by 52 inch high pool. Again, it's rectangular. This is just a neat little shot of what it looks like. Let's get on inside and see the clarity of that pool right there. Right now I've got the filter running. All right. Powder coated. Extremely sturdy. I have had not one problem with this pool. All right, so what does it come with? It is a kit. You got the pool. You have a ground cover. See the gray right there? It's got a ground cover. The black ground cover is a Gorilla Pad that I bought out extra to put under that, just for some more padding. Mine is on a concrete patio. All right, let's take a little look at the setup here. Dual intake. That's where it shoots out. It does come with a sand filter. As you hear, it's purring. There we go. It also comes with a ladder. This is not the ladder that it comes with. We decided to go with something a little bit sturdier. So it's a Confer 7200. And we kind of just took some straps and put it right on there. And it has worked like a charm, but we just wanted something a little sturdier. All right, let's come around just so you can see. You come to this side. There you go. All the way down. It took about 2 days to put this pool up. We took our time, we leveled out the concrete patio. Of course, everybody's situation is going to be different. But of course, just make sure it's nice and level. Just so you can get an idea. All right. I found some cute little drink holders right there that fit right on the frame. I also added a saltwater filter as well, which is right here. It's boosting right now. I did not want to deal with the chlorine and all the chemicals. Not that I haven't had to add a few here and there, but very, very little. And that part I am grateful for. I also decided to get an Intex Deluxe skimmer. So I blocked this one off. Let me back up just so you can see that. So I blocked this one off so that this one could suck in more water and make that filter work. So that's my pool. It was worth the investment. But I also know, you know, having a live shot of what the actual pool looks like would be helpful to many of you. I hope that you have a fabulous day and take care.